Welcome back. We're in Tuesday the 15th of June, and all of this week I am running a very special 5-day free training for hospitality owners all over the world. Now, you may be part of it, you may not be part of it. If you are, please make sure you head into our group because I've got a task for you today. For those of you that aren't, let me just document this whole process. So today, as I mentioned yesterday, we're looking this week at the word action, and we're breaking down every day to a letter in the word action. So today is C. So the big C word. So yesterday was analytics. So that's where we looked at the business. We looked at what every host has, what every host has not. So today we're going to look at C, which is customer avatar. So again, you've put everything in practice. You know where your business is at, what you have, what you don't. Now you've got to look at your customer avatar. Now, a customer avatar, in simple terms in hospitality, is your ideal guest. The person that you want to walk through your door, the one that is just going to get your property. They know that the amenities are designed from, the layout is designed from, the location is designed from, but you need to just get in front of them. And that's the whole point of today. So if you are doing this training, this free training with me, check out your workbook right now. Come into the video. Tonight, we're going to walk it through and we're going to break it down. And really excited for this one. So C is customer avatar. So if you are not signed up for this training, I'm afraid you're too late now. But if you want to be in the first in the queue for when I do this again, go to boostly.co.uk, pop your name down, leave your email address, and you'll be the first to hear about it in the future. For those of you that are, I will be in the group later on, and we're going to do a live video, break it all down. I'm very excited for this, and just to find out more about your business and who you believe your ideal guest is. So I'll be back later. Again, thank you so much for tuning into the podcast. This is very quickly coming up to our 300th episode. If this is the first time you've tuned in, boostly.co.uk/podcast, you can download, revisit tons and tons of episodes with some amazing guests as well. So thank you very much for tuning in today. I will be back tomorrow.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.